Hi, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is Nasuna Hilda, a medical student of Gulu University. Today I'll be talking about how to mail merge your Word document. For instance, you may all be wondering how you can write different letters, how you can send letters to different people, how you can send emails to different people at a go. Today I'll be teaching you how you can mail merge your document. First of all, I already have a document at hand that I'll be using as reference for each and everything that I'll be doing. So let me open up my document. So this is my document that I'll be using. First of all, this is a document. This is I'm writing an invitation card, and I'll be sending it to different people. So basically, the first thing to do to them, after opening up your document, your letter, you may, from one of my videos I showed you how to do different things. For instance, you may be having issues with how to formulate your letter, how to formulate your invitation letter. You can use AI to help you out to formulate your letter. So I already have my document at hand. This is a document where Anna introduces Andrew. So the first thing you have to do after opening up your document is to move to mailings. After moving to mailings, you have to first select recipients. First of all, I already have a list which has names for people that I want to send to the villages and the sub-county and district. I already have a list, but I'll show you how to make a list just in case this will be your first time doing this. So if you want to type a new list, this is what you do. You move here. First of all these things, some of them are not needed. So you may want to customize your columns. For columns you don't need, you delete. For example, I may not need the title, so I delete it. And this I may not need it, so I delete it. I delete those. But for my case, I already have a column. So after deleting these things, then you move to a section where you have to fill in for the name for each according to how you prefer your thing to be. So for this case, I won't use this, and I won't use this since I already have my own list. I have my recipients list, so I'm going to use an existing list, and my list is here. So this is my list. You open the list. So I've already selected my recipient list. Then remember, for this case, my list has a name. I inserted the name, village, sub-county and district for reference, for you to know where you're going to insert your name, where you're going to insert your village, your sub-county and your district. But for this case, we shall have to delete this because they are unnecessary. We're going to insert, they were done manually, so I need them to be done by the PC itself. So the name will be inserted there. Then for this case, you come to insert merge. Remember, we are in mailings, so village, then here, sorry for that, then here you're inserting the sub-county. Then you're not supposed to leave this, because if you leave them, then you'll find them in your document like the way they are, for district alone, name alone, village alone, and all those things alone. So this is for the district. After doing this, that's not the end. So you come to start mail merge. Remember, these are letters. This is an invitation letter that I want to send to different people. According to the list that I already have, it's a list of 3 people. So these letters will be for 3 people. So you put letter. After doing that, you come here to finish merge. Then I want like individual documents to be edited differently. So I edit individual documents. Remember, for my records, I have 3 people. So you choose all. Then okay, and it's done. As you can see, if I'm to move down, this says Anna introduces Andrew Dia Chibilike Bata from Chenjejo Kafuma. Kafuma is the sub-county, then Kampala is the district, Chenjejo is the village. That's according to the list that I made. So that's not all. Moving downwards, you can see that we are also having somebody else, Dia Kavuma Paul from Namasuba, Magala Wakiso. But that's not all. We also have Madada Peter from Kamuli, Masaba Liwe. So These are my 3 letters that are formulated using mail merge. Trust me, Microsoft Word still has a lot it can help you to do. It can help you to like formulate stuff like this. Now, that was all for this video. I hope you've understood something. I hope you've learned something. A quick preview: I told you guys for this mail merge you move to mailings, then you insert recipients. I showed you how to type in a new list. Then after this, after entering recipients, for example, if you already have recipients, I would like to show you how this like happens. Then you insert the fields for merge fields for each. You move to start mail merge. Then remember, we are making a letter. It may be email messages, it may be envelope, it may be a label, a directory, but for this case I was using letters, so that's why I chose this. Then let's say I had to finish and merge. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for listening to my videos, for watching my videos, for tuning into my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. I remain Nasuna Hilda, medical student at Gulu University. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.